Welcome back to another Science at Home video with the Orangeville Public Library. Today you'll be learning about volcanoes and chemistry as we do this fun outside activity. So before we get started, let's learn a little bit about volcanoes. A volcano is a mountain with a hole in its middle. The hole goes deep into the ground. It's very hot there. The rock melts, and this melted rock is called magma. It is less heavy than the rock around it. The magma rises through the hole in the volcano. There are different types of eruptions that volcanoes produce. There's a Hawaiian eruption, which is when lava arcs from fissures or a central vent and sometimes collects in a lake or cone. A Strombolian eruption, where a burst of lava occurs with rocks and bombs. A Vesuvian, which is when gas and ash blow from a cauliflower-shaped cloud above the volcano. And a Pelian eruption, which is a cloud of gas, ash, and dust glowing above the volcano while streams of lava run down the sides. Keep these types of eruptions in mind and we can try to determine which type of eruption we have when we try out our own volcano. So the first step is to go outside and find a spot to put down your cup. I chose a spot in the grass because I knew the grass would be fine from the washable paint, but if you'd like to protect your grass, then you can put down a tarp or a towel. Then fill your water almost to the top of your cup. Next, you'll want to add about 3 to 4 tablespoons of baking soda to your cup. You can add a little bit more if you'd like to help your eruptions last longer. So the next step is to add about 1 teaspoon of dish soap to your mixture, and I just eyeballed it by just squirting some into my cup. Then you'll want to grab some washable paint, whatever color you like, and add it to your cup. And the more you add, the more vibrant your color will be, so it's up to you on how much you'd like to add. Once you've added all your ingredients, it's time to give your mixture a good stir to make sure that everything is mixed together well. And now it's time for the fun part. You can grab your vinegar and start pouring into your cup to see what happens. And start with a little bit and then keep adding until you see an explosion like this. And as you continue to add your vinegar, your mixture should continue to explode and erupt just like this. Since we don't have a cloud, I think we've created a Hawaiian eruption, which is when lava arcs from fissures and sometimes collects below. To add some more fun to this experiment, I tried adding a different color of paint. I chose blue, and then poured some more vinegar to see what would happen. So if you look closely, you can see that as the volcano erupts, there are little specks of blue in the lava, so you could add lots of different colors of paint and see what creations you come up with. So now that we've completed our experiment, let's learn a little bit about the chemical reaction that made it possible. So a reaction happens when an acid mixes with a base. An acid has a lot of hydrogen atoms, and milk and fruit juices are acids. A base has a lot of hydrogen and oxygen atoms, and soap is a base. So we made a reaction using vinegar, which is an acid, and baking soda, which is a base. When they mixed, they changed into a gas, and this is what made our volcano erupt. If you'd like to learn more about volcanoes, or if you'd like to try out some more chemistry experiments at home, be sure to check out these books at the library and the others in our collection. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned something new, and make sure to share your photos with us if you try out this experiment. So have a great day, and thanks for watching!